Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the preposition. आज हम ग्रामर का एक न्यू टॉपिक जो कि बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है वो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. प्रिपोजिशंस जब पढ़ते हैं वो बेसिकली स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए, इंग्लिश लर्निंग के लिए और ग्रामर के लिए तीनों वेज में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो व्हाट द प्रिपोजिशंस आर. प्रिपोजिशंस ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं इंग्लिश में जैसे ऑन, एट, इन, बिसाइड्स, अबाव, विथ, अंडर एंड मेनी मोर. सो ऑन वर्ड्स आर देयर जो नाउन्स मतलब किसी का भी नाम जैसे कॉमन नाउन, देन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन्स, कलेक्टिव नाउन और प्रोनाउंस लाइक ही, शी, इट, हिम, दे, देयर. कॉमन नाउन या एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन या प्रॉपर नाउन या प्रोनाउन सबके पोजीशन, टाइम, डायरेक्शन ऐसे चीज़ें बताए जाते हैं. ये वर्ड्स बेसिकली उन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में बोलने के लिए होते हैं जो कि नाउन और प्रोनाउन है. इनके बारे में क्या है उनकी पोजीशन, क्या है उनका डायरेक्शन, ऐसे वर्ड्स जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं व्हाइल वी आर टॉकिंग about the nouns and pronouns, the words which you use that are preposition. So in this lesson we are going to learn more about the prepositions. अभी prepositions क्या है जैसे कि मैंने बोला they are basically telling you about the noun and the pronoun. So for clearing that I'm writing a one sentence for you that is the stars are sky. And second is the stars are in the sky. मैं उसमें कुछ पिक्चर्स भी बना देती हूँ लाइक these are the stars and you can say this is the sky. This is a very beautiful picture I am drawing over here but you can understand it very easily. तो एक सेंटेंस मेरे पास है द स्टार्स आर स्काई मतलब स्टार्स ही स्काई है. द स्टार्स आर स्काई का मतलब द स्टार्स ही स्काई है. और दूसरा है द स्टार्स आर इन द स्काई. स्टार्स स्काई के अंदर है. द स्टार्स आर इन द स्काई. वी आर हैविंग द टू सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट वन इज द स्टार्स आर स्काई, स्टार्स स्काई है एंड सेकेंड द स्टार्स आर इन द स्काई. अभी नाउन इसमें क्या है स्टार्स. स्टार्स के बारे में बोला जा रहा है. स्टार स्काई है. इज इट अ प्रॉपर सेंटेंस क्या स्टार स्काई होता है? एग्जैक्टली नॉट. बट स्टार्स कहाँ है? दे आर टेलिंग अबाउट द पोजिशन ऑफ द स्टार्स. तो स्टार्स कहाँ है? दैट इज इन व्हाट इट इज इन द स्काई. सो दैट इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट and for using that we are using this word in मतलब stars sky के अंदर है. So this word is playing a role of preposition. So there are many more prepositions comes while we are talking in English, speaking in English or we are learning or writing the English. Like if I am writing the second statement about the time it is I am studying at 7 p.m. This is my first statement. I am studying at 7 p.m. Second statement I am writing I am studying 7 p.m. Now what is the difference? I am studying at 7 p.m. मैं 7 बजे पढ़ता हूँ या पढ़ती हूँ. This is about myself. I am studying at 7 p.m. मैं 7 बजे पढ़ता हूँ या तो पढ़ती हूँ. I am studying 7 p.m. मैं 7 p.m. पढ़ रही हूँ या तो मैं 7 p.m. पढ़ रहा हूँ. मैं 7 बजे पढ़ रही हूँ या मैं 7 पढ़ रही हूँ. What does it indicates? At मैं 7 बजे पढ़ती हूँ. मैं 7 बजे पढ़ती हूँ. I am studying at 7 p.m. So this at is telling you about the time of a noun. This at indicating you the time of a noun. लेकिन I am studying 7 p.m. मैं 7 बजे पढ़ रही हूँ और मैं 7 पढ़ रही हूँ. This is the difference in the statement. So what is the correct statement here? I am studying at 7 p.m. So at indicates the preposition to you. Now we can learn about the more preposition with a simple example. So you can get the clear idea of the prepositions. Here I am having the prepositions on, at, in, besides, above, with, under. ये सब हमें क्या बोल रहे हैं? नाउन और प्रोनाउन की जगह द डिरेक्शन, द टाइम्स, द ट्रैवल्स एंड सो ऑन द थिंग्स. उनकी पोजीशन के बारे में बोलना, उनके टाइम के बारे में बोलना. टूवर्ड्स द डिरेक्शन इट इज़ टेलिंग अस. So these are called the prepositions. If I want to ask you where the apple is, where an apple is, you can tell me easily apple is in the fridge, or apple is in the plate, or an apple is in the hand. But if you are removing in from it, what will happen? Apple is fridge? Apple fridge है? Apple is a plate? क्या apple plate है? So for that, for getting the correct statement, we have to write an apple is in the plate. So what is the preposition here? This am. One more statement. A cat is under the basket. A cat is under the basket. If I am removing under from it, this if I am cutting, a cat is the basket. The cat is the basket. एक बिल्ली basket है. It changes the meaning of the statement. क्या हो रहा है? A cat is the basket. If we are not using the preposition in that, the पूरा sentence का जो meaning है, it is going to change. So we have to write or we have to add preposition in this, that is under. Now if you read a cat is under the basket का मतलब होता है कि एक cat basket के नीचे है. basket के नीचे है, तो we have to use the word under there. Similarly an apple is in the plate, or if you are removing this, an apple is the plate. सोचने वाले क्या सोचेंगे? What is this? एक apple plate है. If you are not using in, what does it indicate? An apple is the plate. एक apple plate है, या an apple is in the plate. You have to use the preposition. तो आपको क्लियरली समझ में आएगा कि एप्पल की पोजीशन कहाँ है. एप्पल की पोजीशन प्लेट के अंदर है. दैट इज इनसाइड द प्लेट, इन द प्लेट. सो दिस इज द preposition. Now more, we can take another example for this. My sister is besides me. I am using the preposition here, that is besides. मेरी बहन मेरे बाजू में है. My sister besides me. It means what now? मुझे बताना है कि मेरी सिस्टर कहाँ है. Where is my sister? वो मेरे पीछे है, वो मेरे आगे, वो मेरे साइड में है, या कहाँ है उसकी पोजीशन. आई वॉन्ट टू शो द पोजीशन ऑफ माई सिस्टर. फॉर दैट exactly we need the preposition. If I am not using the beside word over here and I am writing or I am telling you the statement, my sister is me, मैं मेरी बहन हूँ. Is it the correct statement? My sister is me. So it is false, it is going wrong. So that's why we need to use the preposition in the word to show the direction and to show the position and to show the time or the traveling, etc. There are the many use of the preposition. So here one by one we are using in the topic. I hope you are clearing with your ideas of preposition. This is playing a very important role in English grammar. Without preposition, English grammar we cannot study. Now I want to use the word with. I am writing a statement. I am playing with. Now you can add anybody's name. Reena. What I am doing? I am playing with Reena. मैं किसके साथ? This with is playing the important role that is of a preposition in this statement कि मैं रीना के साथ खेल रही हूँ. I am playing with Reena. So this is again showing you कि to with I am working, to with I am playing. So that word is with. So here with this preposition words we can say a bat is on the table. I am getting up at 4 a.m. Then we can say inward, the stars are in the sky. Besides, I told you like that only, my son is besides me. Above, now what is above? We can take another example above. With this, we will write one more sentence. The sky is up above my head. मेरे सिर के ऊपर स्काई है. We can use above to show ऊपर वाला, ऊपर, to show the ऊपर word to you, that is above. In the sky is up above my head. So similarly, there are lots of preposition. So on the basis of the preposition, we are going to solve a interesting activity. Is a word. Here is the sentence. An apple is in the plate. One more sentence I am writing. The ball is on the table. One more I can write over here. My sister is behind me. I am adding one more sentence in this. I like to play with my friends. Now, these are the different sentences we are having. First sentence is an apple is in the plate. So which is the preposition here? Which word is it? Doing the work of preposition or doing the work of joining the letter words or the nouns and the adverb? Yes, the noun and the pronoun. So that is in. So here the preposition is in. Similarly, in the second sentence, the ball is on the table. If I am writing ball is dash the table, if there is a no on, it means we cannot get a proper sentence. So on is our joining word and it's playing the role of a preposition. Again, we can read the next sentence. My sister is behind me. I am repeating it again. My sister is behind me. Instead of a behind, you can tell or you can say near me, with me, besides me, or back to me, anything. But here I wrote it is my sister is behind me. So here the behind word is your preposition. Correct. The next one is I like to play with my friends. To whom I like to play? For that, what it is? The answer will be with. With क्या कर रहा है? With word आपको बता रहा है कि कौन किसके साथ. Means noun and pronoun. It's connecting to whom? What? The noun and to the pronoun. Yes. तो आपको with बता रहा है कि आपको मतलब किसको? आपको. I like. To whom? To play with my friends. So with is your preposition. Correct. These are our sentences. अभी आपको रीड करना है एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. आपको सोचना है कि कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड आया है जो कि सेंटेंस में नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन को ज्वाइन कर रहा है और हमें मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस दे रहा है. द वर्ड इज which are giving you which is a connecting word and which gives you the meaningful sentence. So first is I like to eat an ice cream. I like to eat an ice cream. Exactly which word is a preposition here? It's to. Yes, to. The next is my doll is under the table. Your preposition, it's under. Exactly, you must be knowing now what the preposition means. Yes, now we can go with the third sentence. The third sentence is words going above my head. Now words going above my head. Where the words are going? It is above. It is above. So what the preposition is here? It is above. Now the fourth is you can come with us. You can come with whom? With whom? किसके साथ? So किसके साथ? It means what? With. So the with is playing the role of a preposition here. So with is a preposition. And the last one is you cannot hide behind the wall. आप कहाँ नहीं छुप सकते हो? सामने, पीछे, आगे. So it is behind. Behind means पीछे. You cannot hide. Hide means what? छिपना. कहाँ छिपना? Behind. Behind to whom? The wall. So you cannot hide behind the wall. It means the behind word is joining to your noun and the pronoun, and it is giving you a full sentence. That is, you cannot hide behind the word. So behind is working as your preposition. Thank you.